But at least I got some of the air out. That's good. Well, the fan works with the ignition on, and then nothing is bridge, the connector. Oh, look at that! It's still spinning. Oh man, cool, man. Sagitnet 2. Welcome, guys. Like and subscribe. Okay. All right. That's it. Thank you. Okay. Definitely no spark. So now I'm going to dig into it. I am running out of ideas here. So earlier I checked the compression, and I'm getting some uneven compression results, but I guess being brand new, the seal has not been seated, but from a range of 140, 130, 140 and 150 on a number 4. But so this is just to let you guys know that I did check the compression. But let me make sure I got no wrench. Okay, and then I'll tell you later about what I did on the ignition. $130. Yeah, I'm not gonna do the rest. Like I said, I have done it. That's just to show you what I did. Now it's 130, but earlier it was 140, and then 130, and then 140 again, and then 150 on the number 4. And as far as like the distributor, I have checked all of the wires on this one from here to the ECU at the end, and I also compare it to the OEM motor that I have, the one that I pulled out. It's over there. And also this one here, I check and check, triple check this thing, and it's within, as far as I know. And the ignition coil, I changed it twice, and that is, I just got this one from the yard, a known running one, and also I got the manual, and I checked the continuity test on all of them before I put it on, but I just wanted to eliminate, and it's good. And per maintenance manual, I have checked the with the system on, checking this blue wire and blue wire, and I got power from here to here. Yeah, I'm getting power. Something's controlling it. It's not giving it the ignition. The belt timing, I have checked that also. Align it here, and also through the crank pulley. And the only thing I can think of, but it should not control the spark, is when I did the adjustment on the intake side. This is moved about a few degrees. Yeah, but that should not be even controlling the ignition at all. But I'm gonna try it again because I haven't tried it with the spark plugs and everything, with the new ignition coil that I put on. Yeah, let me put everything back together, and I'm gonna give it a try again. And also this time I'm gonna put the new igniter plugs. That's the old one that I put on. Because I'm running out of ideas here. Let me get this thing. Maybe yeah, I was happy earlier when I found out about this one. I thought that's the one. I do have fuel. Yeah, this thing is smell like fuel in there. If all worse comes to worse, I'm not sure. Maybe it's my harness that I made. Yeah, this thing is kicking my ass, man. Yeah, too bad I couldn't give you guys some satisfaction. I mean, I couldn't give myself satisfaction. I'm so disappointed that this thing it didn't fire up. But right after I changed the what do you call that, the coil, there's no check engine light. Yeah, the solid light went away. So it's like something's not being recognized, something's not being turned on. Get it? Turned on. Oh well. Okay. Hopefully my I-80 is not backwards or anything like that, but I know if my connectors are backwards, as soon as I hook it up, that thing will fry the capacitor inside the ECU and it will give me a message, but it's not. There's no message on the engine, on the check engine. Yeah, on the CEL, there's no fault code or anything like that. Just to give you up to date, I am using a H22A4 base map. That's what I ordered, so I'm not sure if that's what really came in. You know what, my S300, I could use it, but I'm just so illiterate on the S300. I just don't know how. I'm afraid that I might ruin the what do you call that, the fuel trim on the Snow White. So that's why I didn't even try. If anything, but the thing is that just what threw me off is the ignition. It should have a spark. Oh well, let's try it again. See how it goes. See how it goes. Man. Alright, give it a try. Alright, everything is, make sure I got everything connected. How it should be. It is the ignition coil. Oh wow. Oh man. That was my last throw, man. Oh shit. Oh man. She is running. Alright guys, she is running. That's it. Hell yeah. Oh man. I was giving up, man. Oh shit. Oh damn. Make sure there's no let me check, make sure there's no leaks. Oh, I got one over there. I don't know where that thing coming from. That looks like oil. Okay. If my head is the two oil port is leaking, it will be right over here. But there's none. Oh yeah. Dude, as you can see, it's either the ignition coil or this one here. I don't know what gives, man. But this is the one that I replaced it with. It was it was cracked right here, and I put some hot glue on there. But I was checking the continuity on this one. It's the same as what I put on there. Oh wow, dude. Oh yeah. Right on. Okay, I'm just gonna wait till it run 15 minutes till it normalize. Till well, I don't see any problem with it whatsoever. But every motor that I built and ran, I never give it some gas after it ran. I just let it run for 15 minutes. It's because it's got new bearings on there, and I don't want it to what do you call it? I don't know what. Oh shit! Oh man. What is the word that I'm supposed to say? Oh man, now I'm out of words. But yeah, I'm just gonna let it run for 15 minutes till it normalizes at least. No acceleration whatsoever. I'll leave it as is. But it looks like the base map that I ordered, it turned out to be good. Oh damn! I cannot give it a run because of I got no brakes. Well, what will be next? I am going to Disneyland, man. Yeah. Yeah. There you go, guys. It's nice. Finally we're running. Jesus. Man. I don't know. That was my last draw, man. Right on. Let's see if the lights. Oh, I got no lights. Radio at least. Okay, radio works. One thing I can try is make sure that the gear goes in. Okay. Reverse is good. All right. Okay, I'm still using my the common plug. Later on, I will put this on, and then I'm gonna give it a try again. So if everything works out, it starts it. I mean, if it starts right away, then I can I can vouch my work on my last the video that I made about this one. You guys can do whatever you guys copy it, you know, like as far as like the wiring, how I did the wiring and all that. But make sure that you guys connect these two wire right there, the green I can't remember what color it is, but it's for the ignition key, so you can pull out the key. Hopefully, well, everyone should know about it already anyway, so but I'm just letting you guys know that I did have those connected. See, right there, there's two that are bridged. This is the reverse light. This one is already hooked up to that. Well, it's spun a bearing. That's what it is. That's why I don't give it a gas to you know, that acceleration. I'm just gonna leave it run until 15 minutes. Then as soon as the thermostat open, then I'm gonna change the oil and then put a new oil filter on there and a fresh oil, and then do it again. Whew. Man. Damn, guys. Oh, just to let you guys know, when I filled this up, my radiator, I had these two disconnected, right? And I put some water right through here. And then when it finally like filled up to the capacity through here, I connected it, and then I did the same thing on this side. I poured some water into it. I know that they said it's hard to put some get the bubbles out on that radiator. That's why I got this one. Oh man, how's my fuel pressure? Oh, looks like I get this to adjust. Alright, let me adjust that real quick. Beautiful, man. Like it, like it. At least I know now it runs. Alright, when it's running, it should be at 43. Okay, everything is tight. Whew. Yeah, not yet. It's not even warm. Let's see what's inside. Hey, let me ask you guys, is that normal with the number 2 or any of those things? I know it should be, the park should be on, but the 2, is that normal? Well, like I said earlier, if I have a manual, I would not see anything at all, right? But I'm just wondering if that's normal for auto to manual conversion like that, being the light being on. Just let me know. That'd be nice. Otherwise, I'll just maybe open it, or I think I'm gonna go to the yard and or buy one on eBay, and I'm gonna change that, because I think it's just really annoying. Bang, 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 yeah, baby. Oh, shit, baby. I think this one deserves something. Yeah. Sorry guys, but I'm just happy. I'm glad. I'm really satisfied now, man. Oh, now drivability will be another story, okay? But as far as like the compression, when I did a compression check, maybe the way I set the piston ring, the gap, maybe that has something to do with it. You know, it's not really honing. Well, right now it's honing itself. That could be it. I'm hoping it's like that. But make sure I got no. Oh, this one is still. Man, I thought I got this one fixed. Oh man. Well, that's no biggie now. This is the hurdle right there. It's finally. That's it. That one I can deal with that. Oh, man. Well, it worked. My harness, conversion harness works from OBD1 to OBD2. The DIY clutch interlock harness works. Oh man. Thermostat finally opened. Yeah, it's starting bubbling now. I want to make sure that I'm not overheating or anything like that. And it's been what 10 minutes now. I'll wait till she get all that bubble out. Hopefully it won't overflow or anything. Yeah, it's definitely open because it's warm. Yeah. I need to get this dirt out of there. That fan should come on already. Not unless it doesn't work. But I got it connected up. Yeah, it's on. If it doesn't come on within 5-10 minutes, I will manual or bypass it just to make sure to verify that it does work through this. And you know what? Might as well do it. That way I know it works. Damn it, I don't like that. Maybe I should turn it off, huh? Or it looks like it's air in the system. I'll shut it off once it's yeah, I don't like that at all. That's a lot of air though. I'm shutting down. Oh shit. That's water circulation there, buddy. That sucks it all out. Well, at least I got some of the air out. That's good. Well, the fan works with the ignition on, and then that thing is bridge, the connector. Oh, look at that! It's still spinning. Oh man. Cool, man. Sagitnet 2. Welcome, guys. Like and subscribe. My neighbor's playing some music. Forget it. Yeah, the fan works. I bypass it. Okay. Yeah, my neighbor's playing music, so I can't really turn on or get some coverage. Alright, anyway. Okay, now I know the fan works. Alright guys, my neighbor is he's playing some music and I can't continue on anymore. But anyway, I think I did what I had to do. I am really glad and happy that I got this thing running. So next is brake system, suspension, and tidy things up on the car, like the side mirror and all that, and put just about everything all together, and the gauges that I need before I put everything back in, because I don't want to do it all over again. And once everything is all buttoned up, then I'll be ready. Hopefully it will actually be running. Well, now that the engine is running, then man, I'm gonna be on a pace here, you know. Well, I'm just really still be taking my time. Yeah, I don't want to rush anymore. Hell no. I have told you about things that I overlook, as far as, like I said, that something wrong with my DIY harness, with the reverse light being on when this thing is connected. Found out that at the end those two wires are still looped together, so it's a continuous power going into the system. That's why the reverse light was on. So I got that all situated. What else I could say? That's it. Okay, I'll see you guys back next time. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching, man. All right, I'll see you guys on the next. Bye bye.